Alright, let me make beams, columns, slabs, and the footing that holds them make total sense in under 3 minutes. Beams, columns, slabs, and the footing that holds them make total sense in under 3 minutes. Start at the ground. That big concrete block under everything, that's the footing. It spreads the building's weight into the soil like snowshoes for a skyscraper. You'll see rebar laid out like a grid, then concrete poured and vibrated to kick out air pockets. Solid base, game on. Now rise up to the column. Think of columns as vertical powerlifters. They take compressive loads straight down to the footing. No drama, just force traveling downward. When you look close, you'll spot long steel bars for strength and ties wrapping around them like belts. Those ties stop the bars from buckling when things get real under load. Concrete goes in, gets vibrated, and boom, a vertical highway for compression. Bridge from column to column and you meet the beam. Beams are horizontal muscles. Loads come from the slab above, and the beam bends. Compression on top, tension on the bottom. That's why the thick steel runs low in the span, with stirrups looping around to fight shear, especially near the supports where forces try to rip the beam's web. Slice one in your mind, top squeezes, bottom stretches, stirrups resist diagonal cracks. Lay a big flat panel across the beams and you get the slab, the floor you live your life on. One-way slabs that mostly span in the short direction. Two-way slabs sharing load in both directions. Rebar tells the truth. Heavier bars where the span is shortest or where negative bending hits over the supports. When you load a slab, the top over the supports goes into compression, bottom at mid-span into tension. That's why you'll see top bars over beams and bottom bars in the middle fields. People, furniture, finishes, sit on the slab, beam, column, footing, earth, clean, efficient, reliable. On a site, the sequence is a dance. Formwork up, rebar placed, checks done, concrete poured, vibrated, finished, cured. Concrete is great in compression. Steel is great in tension. Together they're an A-team, reinforced cement concrete. If you remember one thing, remember the flow. When you can trace the arrows of load in your head, the entire frame starts speaking to you. Where to add rebar, where to thicken, where to support. And the best part? Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Every building turns into a story of forces moving home. Stick around for more civil engineering explained simply and safely.